Hola! I'm going to teach you guys how to draw Sora. Now, this one's going to be a little bit more of a challenge since of her hair. So I have some setai that would use reference for hair, but first let's get started on the head. So since she has such a round face, let's curve up. Whoop, go back. There we go. And do the neck. And we'll add the ears. Alright, now let's get started on her face. We're going to do the circles first. I use the symmetry tool since it helps finish the artwork faster and it makes it look nicer. Or if you're really lazy. Yeah. So let's add the lid. Since her lid is totally different than Mimi's, hers is a lot shorter and it just has fewer lashes, especially those in between. Our eyebrows are right here. Add the nose and then a smile. And let's do the eyes, the whites of the eyes. There we go. Now let's get started on the hair. Since I can't use the symmetry tool for her bangs, I'm going to get the reference sheet out to get her hair so we get it right. I rely on reference so much that if I don't have it, I kind of struggle figuring out what they look like since I draw so many things. So let's get started on the bangs. We're going to do a line here, sharp down, individually spiked. She has crazy hair. It's not very symmetrical. And we're going to add the lines here. Bang here. There we go. Now we're going to part our hair here, end it by the ears. And the tool before will erase the underneath the head from the layer. And let's add some bangs on the side. I mean sideburns, yes. And do some line work. Add some detail to the bangs. There you go. Now let's use the symmetry tool to the bottom of her hair. And we just do a bunch of waves, spiky waves. And there you go. Sora! Have a good one.